Okay, today we're going to work on taking these problems and creating our own picture from the description. Okay. So the first thing we need to talk about, try that again, is angle of elevation. Okay. So pretend you're looking straight, but you have to look up at something. That's the angle of elevation. Okay. So here he would be looking straight ahead this way, but instead he looks up. The amount that you have to tilt your head up, that's the angle of elevation. Okay. Yep. It's an angle between the horizontal going up.
The sign of the tangent. I wish I knew how to do long division on my math test.
No. No. Okay, so Casey cites the top of an 84-foot tall lighthouse. Okay, so we have a lighthouse. I really don't care what it looks like, but I know that it's 84 feet. And that Casey, standing somewhere else, is looking up at the top of the lighthouse with an angle of elevation of 58 degrees. Where do I put 58 degrees? Okay, so like Casey would be looking this way. This is 58 degrees. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Casey is 6 feet tall.
Oh, wait.
I want to know how far he is from the base of the light. Look at my picture because I have different colors. Which piece are we solving for? The red piece. So I'm going to call this red piece X. But Sam, you noticed something. The opposite side of 58 is going to be considered what?
Huh?
You just said something about this right here.
It's like she's 6 feet, so like.
You agree that this is 78, this orange piece right here?
Yes.
So Casey is 6 feet tall. So.
Is this actually 84 minus 6?
So like if this is 6, then the rest of it is 78 to add to the 8.
Oh, because she's only seeing 78 because she can't see now.
Well, so
So
her eyesight would be 6 feet up. From her eyesight, she looks up at a 58-degree angle.
Yeah, I get it. She's pretty tall.
So to find X, what are we going to use? So the tangent of 58 degrees is opposite over adjacent. Solve for X, please.
X is
52.5 what?
Feet.
I got 48.
Yeah, so did I.
I got 48.7. I got 52.
Are you in the
No, it's because look, X is on the bottom.
Did you type in? Nope, that's what I want.
Yes.
Did you type in 84? Nope, not 84. What was it? 78
Oh,
divided by
You guys are right.
the tangent
they're
They're right.
of what? 58?
Why?
So it's 48.7?
Okay. What?
right. Oopsie daisy.
You just called us stupid. She called us stupid.
Dude, what the?
Presley.
No,
What
I
was-
said I was starting to worry. I was.
Oh, don't ever think that, my dear. Oops. Okay, so remember, if X is on the bottom, we gotta multiply it over. And so then we would, why did I put 84? Why didn't anybody stop me?
Huh?
It's not
Sam said
84.
I had this.
78. That's what
What's good? I look at that.
my phone.
Help. Hey, sometimes I make mistakes when I'm talking and writing at the same time, so don't be afraid to. Okay, so it should have been 78. Sorry, sorry,
Oh, I see.
sorry.
I mean, I did it right if it was 84.
Yes.
Yeah, I did, right?
Okay, draw me the picture for number 2.
17 degrees.
Brandon.
We'll make a Husker kicker here.
Wait, a goalpost.
I think I did it right.
Wait,
What is that?
That's a forest.
That's like a upside down flat.
I'm going in depth.
it's like an actual football player. Look at
Oh,
him.
he's like 50 feet tall.
Sam, look at that. It's an actual football player.
Dude.
Yeah, look at my picture. It's better than yours. You do not have to go. You do not have to be super detailed with the big picture.
Probably.
This is the top of the goalpost.
33.
So, yeah.
31.
When I thought of football, I thought of soccer, and then I drew an actual goalpost.
Dude, that's a goalpost.
Oh.
We also have
Goalpost.
goalposts.
Who is shooting? from
Where do I
behind
put
the
17?
You put it like by the football.
By the football. Where do we put 131?
Get kicking from the opposite end zone.
Not the hypotenuse.
Where
Where
do you put it on the bottom?
On the floor, on the ground. What are we finding?
Finding,
The opposite. Yep, so we're gonna say that the tangent of 17 degrees is x over 131.
Do these get any more complicated?
If X is on the top, you can time.
For real.
Where's this
Yeah.
If this is getting
The
more
most, like,
complicated than
complicated
this,
it
then, like, I'm telling you.
It's
40.
40.
Yeah, 40.1.
3.1.
I think it is right.
If you don't put feet, do you get like points taken off?
Potentially.
I got so many points taken off on my science worksheet because
Oh, me too.
I failed my science worksheet.
I felt so bad writing quick.
I saw you start laughing.
131. It's like
I was like, oh, no.
Okay. The angle of depression, please don't assume. Okay? So here is this lifeguard. Okay? The angle of depression is when we look down at something, and it's formed between where the person would be looking and the angle that they're looking down. Okay? So a lot of times we have to draw this, what the line sight would be, and then angle down. Now, there is another angle that is the exact same angle measurement as this one that I have highlighted. What is that? We have an alternate interior angle. This guy right here is the exact same angle, which is the angle of elevation. Okay? So you'll see some patterns as you draw these, okay? Okay, a lifeguard is sitting on a platform.
Okay.
Okay? Looking down at a swimmer.
He's looking down. This guy who's-
And he's looking down at a swimmer. Okay. The lifeguard's line of sight is 8 feet above the ground. So above the water, we are 8 feet. And the angle of depression is 18 degrees. I've drawn a triangle. Is 18 degrees?
Oh, so can you like?
So technically, he should be looking this way, right?
Yeah, I did that.
So this guy is 18 degrees. Oh, but this one is also 18 degrees?
Yeah.
So you have two options.
Oh.
You could draw this triangle and label this 8 feet. Or you can say if this is 18 degrees, this is also 18 degrees. Okay? We are looking for the distance the swimmer is from the lifeguard. So we're looking for how far out does this person swim? We have to use tangent again.
No.
So the tangent of 18 degrees is 8 over x.
$24.6.
24.6. Oops, I put the wrong label there.
Oh, nice, chick.
Wait, were you looking? I thought you were looking. Yeah, I thought you.
Okay,
Wait, who kicked? Yeah, who kicked? Nobody.
would you like to do 6, 7, or 8 as our second problem?
Wait, hold
Lucky
on.
number 7.
Eight.
Look out
Lucky number
tower sounds
7.
cool.
8, because it's a multiple of 48. And 8 has the smallest number.
Zach sounds like a cool guy.
Look out tower.
Zach is standing at the top of a lookout tower.
Tony drank like half of my water. Because you can't forget.
And
that.
spots a water fountain below.
You took my water bottle and poured it into a cup.
Sam, what was your?
If the lookout tower is 75 feet tall. You guys, this is the exact same problem. almost.
75 feet.
Angle of depression is 28.
He's on the lookout tower.
So he would
He's
be looking this way. This is 28 degrees. So we know this is 28 degrees.
It's a
And I want to know the horizontal distance between the lookout tower and the fountain. Lame choice, people. Lame choice.
I like it.
Brayden, how do we set it up? I'm good with tangent.
Opposite over adjacent.
75 over x, opposite over adjacent. Yeah, I draw a pretty mean helicopter.
Yeah, I say we just do both.
141.
I have 141.
That's pretty far away.
How did you that far?
Just saves my slab of ground.
35.
Bro, 35, that's like.
But I feel like it's hard.